back to my channel. It's a girl Z-Face and I'm back with another video. So I'm here with another vlog. I've actually already started the vlog. I could not do the intro in the house. I'm here with Bestie and Hobby. Hobby's driving. Okay, so today I'm just going to be showing you guys everything that I'm going to be doing. So I don't know if you guys are going to see the ECAU video after this vlog, but I'm going to be getting ECAU today. I'm going to take measurements for my friend's wedding. I'm supposed to be her bridesmaid, so we're going to take our measurements today, the bridesmaids measurements, and then I'm going to get my skincare stuff today. Then after that I go get the ECAU. I'm going to do the ECAU video. It's going to be a whole new video, so make sure you go check that video out and get everything that I have to say about the ECAU, the Nigerian dish. So you guys should just come along with me, and I'll see you guys in my next. I'll see you guys soon. Sorry.
They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always be problems is true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good?
That is V Skincare official.
What if I'm not good? If you never love me back?
Please go back, or I want to buy it. So guys, this is V Skincare shop. Yes, my skincare plug. You guys have been asking for my skincare plug. This is it. Yes. You have the boss sitting over here. The place is beautiful, so beautiful, so pretty. Nice. She's cute. Very cute. Auntie, sorry. Hi, I'm here to get my skincare products. Hi.
Don't forget me.
Hey, do you want to not see that black on there? It's finished. How much is this one? And this one? This one is 80. Hey! Then black soap. Second one. Yes. Black soap. Then
Yeah, I like to smell. It's fine.
What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? If you never love me back? They told me that I always had to be good.
You know I don't save. If you know how I've saved
that. I'm friend.
Martina, you don't finish things. Hey.
Yes, remember we are getting long night now.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Bye. See ya.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling.
Check this out, see the way it sweats. It's different. So guys, we're at St. Look, came to take the measurements. We came to take the measurements at St. Luke. There's so much heat right now. I feel so much heat. So
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.
that's the signboard. Hi guys, so I just came back from the market. We bought a lot of things from the market after leaving the skincare shop, going to measure my dress, and then going to buy the issue. We bought so many things I could not vlog because we had so many bags to carry. So I just finished arranging the things in the kitchen and everything. So I bought bitter leaf. This is it. So right now I'm fixing the bitter leaf. I'm watching my series because I don't have a stool yet in my kitchen, so I can't sit there. I'm going to sit here and arrange the bitter leaf, wash it, and then put it in the fridge.
On a new adventure. On a new adventure.
So guys, I'm just going to boil this vegetable with kanwa and wash it. Okay, so I'll see you guys when I am done. So today is Tuesday. My mom-in-law prepared koki and plantains. So when I leave from work, I always go to, she always makes koki during the weekend. Okay, like not every weekend but some weekends. So she always tells me to pass and collect koki. Okay, you know, mom-in-law love and all of that. So I left from work today and I passed and collected it. I haven't eaten since morning. Yes, I haven't eaten food since morning. The time is 5 minutes past 6. I'm just going to eat. Then I think that will basically be it for today's video. I'm going to continue the vlog tomorrow. All right. So everything I'm going to do is just to eat and wash my bitter leaf. Hi guys, so I'm done cooking. I'm about to have my meal. I am starving. The meal smells delicious, like it smells so good, and I'm very sure it's going to taste delicious as well. This is my first time making turning plantains on my own. I've always been seeing my mom making it, but I've never tried it, so I decided to try it on my own. I believe it's going to be superb. So I'm going to go ahead and eat, and I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm talking about my food. I'm going to end this vlog here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a shine.